The Welch Allen Connex monitor is the system that we use, and it is a state-of-the-art product. As the nurses start out their shift, they will go in and take the vital signs. They will first barcode the patient's name bracelet, and then they will take the blood pressure, the patient's oxygen saturation, the temperature. Everything is right there. The nice thing about this machine is everything is right there. They don't have to, the nurse does not have to go get a separate piece of equipment for each vital sign. So they will take all the vitals, make sure it's correct. They will then the vital sign. It will then go into the McKesson system, and then the vitals are already in there for the healthcare provider that needs to see the vitals. In the past, there's been a separation from the time the nurses have taken the vitals to the time they actually get input into the McKesson system. And now with the Welch Allen Connex, everything happens simultaneously, which is also a patient safety issue. The nurse doesn't get interrupted. The vitals are in there, and taking the vitals is such an important part of the whole care of the patient, and you want the accurate vitals to be input and to have them immediately input. It's such a good product for nurse satisfaction. It's huge. The nurses that have worked with the machine love the system. They don't know what they did in the past, how they did it, and the patients love the system. The patients don't seem to have as much discomfort from the other blood pressure machines when it is pumped up. Sometimes it can hurt a patient. There's a little discomfort there, and it seems to take a little longer with the Welch Allen Connex system. When you take the blood pressure, it seems to go smoother and quicker. So for the patient, they seem to like it, and the nurses also like it. The machine is mounted right on the wall, so it's right there. The nurses don't have to run around looking for equipment, which is a huge satisfier for our nurses. It's a clean, when you look at the machine, everything is right there. It's very efficient. It's clean looking at it. You can easily see the different sets of the vitals, not only the blood pressure, but the oxygen saturation and the temperature. Also, the pain scale is on the machine too, which is nice to include because pain is the 5th vital sign. So the nurses the Welch Allen Connex machine is a great satisfier for everyone. It seems to help the patient, nurse, and the physician.